Math keyword word problems. Why using keywords does not always work.
The keyword strategy is searching for keywords in a story problem to decide whether to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. For example, a problem with the word left would indicate subtraction.
Here's an example of a teacher using the keyword strategy to solve a math problem. While you watch her lesson, think about some problems that may happen in the future if she keeps using this strategy in her teaching.
Hi class, today we're going to be doing math. We have the word problem. Sally counted the apples in her basket. There were 5 red and 4 green. How many apples did Sally have altogether? Can anyone think of a key word that I can find in this story that can help me determine if this is an addition or a subtraction problem? That's correct. The key word is altogether. From that, you can figure adding the two amount of apples together. So how many apples are there in the story? There's 5 red and 4 green. Because our keyword told us addition, 5 plus 4 equals the total amount of apples that Sally has. How many apples do you have? That's correct. It's 9 apples. Sally has 9 apples altogether.
The most important strategy a teacher should use when teaching a math word problem is to understand the concept of the problem and what is being asked. Teaching children the keyword strategy applies a terrible message on how to solve math problems. It encourages searching for specific words instead of analyzing what the meaning of a word problem is. When using keyword strategy in a math problem, it gives students a misconception that these words mean they have to do a certain function every time that specific word is used.
Keywords can be misleading depending on how a word problem is written. So, for example, Sarah donated 5 shirts to the local thrift store. Now Sarah has 10 shirts left. How many shirts did Sarah have to begin with? If the student used the keyword strategy, she would look for the word left and underline it. To figure out this was a subtraction problem, he or she would subtract 5 from 10 and get the answer 5. Instead, the problem was asking how many shirts did Sarah have to begin with. The student should add 5 and 10 together to get the correct answer of 15 shirts. The use of the keyword strategy in this word problem is misleading and can lead to the incorrect answers.
Some word problems are written without keywords. If a student has been taught to use the keyword strategy, then they are left without a working strategy to solve the problem. Stephen has 30 marbles. 10 are green, 5 are yellow, and the rest are blue. How many marbles are blue? In this example, there are no keywords, so a student who only knows how to search for these words would be clueless on how to solve the problem. A teacher instead should teach the student how to look for the context of the word problem and figure out what it is asking.
The keyword strategy does not work with two-step word problems or even more advanced math equations. For example, Susie had a jar of jelly beans that weighed 56 ounces. She added 16 more ounces of jelly beans to the jar. Then she divided the jelly beans evenly into bags that weighed 8 ounces. How many bags of jelly beans was Susie able to make? In this word problem, a student would need to do addition, then division to get the answer. If a student was looking for a keyword, then there would be no way to solve this problem. It has to be done in 2 steps.
This teacher is using another strategy to solve the same word problem as before, but a strategy that will work and can be transformed to all word problems.
Hey class, today we're going to be solving a math word problem. The problem is Sally counted the apples in her basket. There were 5 red and 4 green. How many apples did Sally have altogether? Can anyone tell me what this word problem is trying to solve? That's correct. The word problem is trying to figure out how many apples she has total in her basket, making the 5 red and 4 green one total number. Let's draw it out to get the answer. So she had 4 green, she has 5 red, how many does she have altogether in total? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sally has a total of 9 apples in her basket. That's what the problem is trying to ask us, and that's what we solved today.
Making sure students understand the concept of the problem is important when using the keyword strategy. Writing math word questions that do not use a keyword so a child gets used to truly analyzing what is being asked rather than looking for a specific word is also important. As a teacher, your goal is to make sure your students can look at word problems and figure out how to solve it independently. Teach them how to figure out what the question is asking instead of what a keyword means.